Don't you hate it when you have straight hair and it's raining outside? Can't relate. I wear a shower cap. Ladies and gentlemen, this video is scheduled for one unboxing, introducing to you the Broke Beauty Guru and your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the Ring Queen, Lexa Rose! Okay guys, it's me. Today was a bit of an adventure. I decided to do an unboxing on the beach. So that was pretty new. I got a couple of stairs and stuff. My brother almost died in the water and stuff. And yeah, it was a lot of shenanigans and foolery. But anyways, check out this video and of me unboxing a Jeffree Star mystery box on the beach. And yeah, let's get this video started. To the holy shit, this beach is packed. So we're here at the beach where I'm gonna be filming my unboxing of my Jeffree Star mystery box. I've never seen an unboxing done on the beach before.
It's definitely a good idea.
This is like a first. So I'm with my brother and his girlfriend, and yeah, once we find a spot, we'll get started with the unboxing and stuff. Yes. So we are at the beach. And I just greased myself up with baby oil. Yes, you're probably wondering why the hell would you do that? That's like the cardinal no-no of tanning, but I'm Spanish, so I can do that. So now we're gonna get started with the unboxing. I brought the box with me. Can't see my address or anything like that. But this is the Jeffree Star mystery box and whatnot. So I kind of like ruined it a little bit. So I know what's in it, but still, I'm unboxing it on the beach. So let's get this cooking. So there's 5 items that come in the premium box. And of course the signature pink wrapping paper, the chartreuse box, which I think is adorable. Too bad I can't keep it because I destroyed it. So let's just dig into what is in the box. We've got, a Jeffree Star pop socket for the phone. I've always wanted one of these, so don't judge me. Next we've got the Skin Liquid Frost liquid highlighter and crown jewel. I just want to see what it looked like. Hold on. Right. Entonces. I always do it from the bottom because I don't like ripping up the tape. So, dang. That's some... Yo, look at this highlighter. It's gold.
Yeah, it is.
Like gold member.
That's super pretty.
Hold on, because there's like... I got this shit too. This is the mystery one.
Oh, shit.
See, this is what I was looking forward to, okay? This is the mystery color from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's just a question mark. That's beach-worthy. That is freaking gorgeous.
So pretty.
I'm about to swatch the shade out of this. Hold on. Oh, that's pretty. That's what it looked like.
Really,
oh my God, Jeffree wasn't kidding when he said this is definitely wearable. I can wear this to work.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is fucking dope. That is a pretty ass color. Oh,
it's almost like this pink.
Yeah. I like it's like a very bubblegummy color.
And it's not too much.
Yeah.
That's right.
Perfect for the summer too.
Yeah.
This is cute though. Like I'm not even mad. I've never had one of these before, so I'm excited. All right, I got 2 more. We've got doll parts, which is actually a really nice color from here. Let's see what
It's very pretty.
it's like kind of a muted version of this one. This one's like more like mauve.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah,
these are some pretty ass colors. Hold on, I want to swatch style parts. This is also a nice color though, I'm not even gonna lie. It's like a little bit darker. Ooh, putting them together.
that would be dope.
Yeah, that is dope. Those are the two colors. This one's doll parts and this one's the question mark one. Last one we got is ooh, celebrity skin lip ammunition. This is cute. I'm not even gonna front.
That's fucking
Jeffrey goes hard when he does his makeup. He don't have to, but he does. Like, this shit is tough. Oh my god. That
Oh, that's super nice. You were just saying how you wanted some lipstick you could wear.
that's pretty. Oh
How's it
my.
feel?
It feels good. See, the velour liquid lips, I like them because they like dry instantly, except these are, well, I didn't let them dry, so.
You also have baby oil on.
Huh?
You also have baby oil on.
Yeah, I do have baby oil on myself, so like, yeah, but that
That's
one is
pretty.
celebrity skin. I don't know if you can see it. This is really nice. I like it.
They brought
I want to try this though. I wonder how this will look when I like.
Actually do it.
I'm gonna try it right now.
Fuck
Put it, slather it all over,
Oh,
and I
that's
oh.
freaking pretty. Look at that.
And I oh. And I oh.
There's your tan
Holy.
right there. Oh yeah.
You know what? You can never have enough highlighter. I don't want to look like a freaking Oscar though.
You'll be fine.
I come out looking like an Academy Award. I'm like, what's that on your face? Highlighter. Holy crap. This stuff is... I keep forgetting how powerful this liquid highlighter is. And it's like... Uh-oh, something happened. Let's find out. I don't know what's going on, but everybody seems like they're staring at the ocean. Something happened. You so nosy. Oh! Oh no! Hold on. We gotta repack. Just so you know, this is after the bait. I put this stuff on like after I slathered myself in baby oil. So it's still on me after being in the ocean for about a good like half hour. My whole entire arm is still like, holy, yo, you see the twinkles. This Jeffree Star cosmetic is no joke. Like, it's crazy. I don't know if you can see it on my face or anything like that, but like, yeah, you can see it a little bit. It's still like all over my face. That's really different though. Like, I'm shooken. Like, that's wild. Like, it's still on my hands and everything. Like, this is a serious liquid highlight. Damn. Okay, so now we're back, and we were interrupted a little bit by a couple of numbskulls who were on, I guess they were swimming too far out, and the lifeguard kind of was just like, can't do that. But the waves were really choppy. I mean, they were like, bro, like my brother almost died because of it. So, yeah, we're gonna do the swatches here. So the first swatch I want to do, well, the first item I got was the pop socket. So you got to see at least some of that. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna swatch the rest of these just so you can kind of get a better few of them. So we're gonna do the question mark one, and we're just gonna swatch this one really quickly. See, it looks pretty in the light. That's a really pretty color. I could definitely see myself wearing this to work on the daily. The other one that it came with was doll parts, obviously, so we're gonna just quickly, it's a little bit darker than question mark, which I think is pretty cool. You could probably like wear them together. That's the other one. And then we got the lip ammunition in Celebrity Skin, which is a really, really pretty, like, nude color. I love this packaging. This is... It's a bullet. How cute. And then this one is Celebrity Skin. Voila. I like that color too. I can see myself definitely wearing like all three of these shades to work. And then we also got the Liquid Frost. Of course, you saw prior that this stuff really can like stay on the skin after being in a salty beach and everything like that. You would think like with all the sand and stuff it would kind of exfoliate off my skin, but no, it did not. So if my hair looks kind of a little shiny, it's because I put some highlighter in it. Don't judge me. Alright, well, we're gonna swatch the Liquid Frost in Crown Jewel. This is a heavy gold color. Like, when I first put it on myself, like, I almost look like an Oscar. That's, like, how freaking... Look at that. Look at that. Now, if I was to spread it... Oh, my God. Like... This is crazy. And I wore this at the beach too. So, mind you, you could still see some of it on me. I don't know if you can really tell. Like, I kind of put this all over me today. That's why I'm a little glowy and dewy skinned. But, yeah. These are the items that came in my Jeffree Star mystery box. Sorry, the box is a little busted, but that's okay. That's okay. This has been an unboxing at the beach, or was, and then the swatches in my bedroom, but that's okay. You guys don't mind. I'm the broke beauty guru. This is how I do things. This is how I roll. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching another one of my freaking Zany's descents into madness. Don't mind me. I'm okay, I swear. But don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Keep it Gucci Gucci, bitches.